But as we're going towards building a business, I imagine part of the vision for you here, have a profitable business, have a business that makes money, and to market it in a way that's going to feel good. Yeah. I don't know if you noticed this, as soon as social media discovered that you were an entrepreneur, you started getting ads. And those ads told you what you need to do. Oh, you've got to write a book.
Yeah,
you know? If you're an idiot, because the real thing is you got to have an app. Yeah. If you're like last year, because what you need is a membership site. That's the thing. You know, you see what you get these ads and they're telling you what you need to do. And the challenge is these things can become, at best, not useful. At worst, just distractions. At worst, drain your money. Has anybody lost a lot of money trying to make money? This side of the room, I see. It's divided up this way. You all found each other somehow. Right, and if you count time, yes. Yeah.